Hello everyone. Again I am here with the same chapter of English language. Dear children, as we studied about S and ES in the previous video, today we will study about uses of IES and VES. So let's start. Sum one words from many by adding IES. Sum one words from many by adding IES. Dear children, if a noun ends in Y with a consonant before it, you drop the Y and add IES to make it plural. Dear children, for your better understanding, I will explain in Hindi. My dear children, अगर कोई भी संज्ञा मीन्स नाउन Y से खत्म होता है तो Y से खत्म होता है और Y से पहले कॉन्सोनेंट होता है तो हम Y की जगह पर IES लिखेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल BABY baby means, as you can see, Y is written at the end of the word, so we will replace Y and add IES. My dear children, I have written some words to explain to you by adding IES. One means singular, many means plural. Number one, BABY baby. Dear children, as you can see, Y has a consonant before it. Y has a consonant, B is a consonant. Y has a consonant before it. So, you drop the Y and add IES. In next, CITY, city. In this, Y has a vowel Y has a consonant before it. So, you drop the Y and add IES. City, IES, cities. Daisy, DAISY, again DAIS, you drop the Y and add IES. Daisies. Teddy, TEDD, you drop the Y and add IES. Teddies. Country, COUNTR, you drop the Y and add IES. Countries. Penny, PENNIES, pennies. Story, STORIES, stories. Study, STUD, again you drop the Y and add IES. Studies. Puppy, PUPPIES, puppies. Lady, LAD, you drop the Y and add IES. Ladies. So my dear children, if a noun ends in Y with a consonant before it, you drop the Y and add IES. Okay? Add IES. You drop the Y and add IES. Now my dear children, I will tell you one more thing. If the Y has a vowel before it, then you just add the S. Dear children, if the Y has a vowel before it, then you just add द एस। अगर Y से पहले वॉवेल है तो आप सिर्फ S लगाएंगे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सिंगुलर मीन्स वन, प्लूरल मीन्स मेनी। Boy, B-O-Y, boy. Dear children, as you can see, Y has a vowel before it. आप देख सकते हैं कि Y से पहले O है और O क्या है? Vowel से। वो O is a vowel. So we will add only S. B-O-Y-S, boys. Toy, T-O-Y, toy. T-O-Y-S, toys. Ray, R-A-Y, ray. R-A-Y-S, rays. Key, K-E-Y, key. K-E-Y-S, keys. Monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, monkeys. Day, D-A-Y, day. D-A-Y-S, days. Play, P-L-A-Y, play. P-L-A-Y-S, plays. Let's read the book. Sum one words from many by adding IES. B-A-B-Y, baby. B-A-B-I-E-S, babies. L-A-D-Y, lady. L-A-D-I-E-S, ladies. T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. T-E-D-D-I-E-S, teddies. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S, butterflies. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. P-U-P-P-I-E-S, puppies. Dear children, if a noun ends in Y with a consonant before it, you drop the Y and add IES. Now next, 4. Some one words form many by adding VES. Dear children, a word ends in F or FE. We change the F to V and add ES or S to make it plural. For your better understanding, I have written some words for you. Dear children, if a noun ends with either F or FE, that change their plural to VES. My dear children, अगर कोई word noun F और FE से ख़त्म होता है तो हम उसकी जगह VES लिखते हैं. For example, CALF, calf. CALVES, calves. Loaf, LOAF, loaf. LOAVES, loaves. Leaf, LEAVES, leaves. Wife, WIVES, wives. Half, HALVES, halves. Wolf, WOLVES, wolves. Leaf, LEAF, VES, leaves. Knife, KNIVES, knives. Scarf, SCARVES, scarves. Thief, thief, THIEVES, thieves. Now my dear children, if a noun ends with either F or FE, that change their plurals to VES. अगर कोई भी शब्द या कोई भी नाउन F और FE से ख़त्म होता है तो हम उसकी जगह क्या लिखते हैं? VES. My dear children, that's all for today. The rest we will study in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.